Y'all might want to have grandma step away and not hear this one because she might be a little bit upset. When you're purchasing your first home, sometimes that first home kitchen can be a little small. When it comes to pots and pans, you don't need no more than 2 frying pans. Yeah, grandma, I know you got like 50. Please don't be mad at me. And you also don't need humongous pots unless you're looking to put on large events or things of that nature. But even you also want to consider the size of your home. You may only need about 2 saucepans like this one, maybe 2 different sheet pans, and maybe even a larger pot to cook like your pastas and things of that nature in. Really, you can really make it through with just that. That should be plenty for a kitchen of this size and a home of this size, that especially when there's only going to be maybe one other adult and maybe a small child that may be in this home with you. Some may know me as Chef Jay Jeezy. I am currently standing in the kitchen of one of KII Brothers Refresh properties here in Columbia, South Carolina. I want to thank the KII Brothers for allowing me to come in, talk about some of these tips on how to purchase a kitchen along with your first home.